Hi there. Do you already have a driver's license but not confident to drive on roads? Are you a new learner searching for a school to learn driving properly? Have you bought a car already but not confident to drive on road? There are tons of schools out there that can get you licenses at low cost. But what happened to actual learning how to drive? Well, that is something only professionals can handle. Introducing CarControl Driving Academy. We offer the best driver's education program with globally followed course. With our patient and educated driving instructors and with the proven collision avoidance techniques, we will make you a defensive driver on road. Make the right investment. Driver education is a matter of life and death. Our program covers traffic training, reverse and parking training, highway training, rain driving, night driving, and defensive techniques. So, if you want a professional driving education, steer away to CarControl Driving Academy, professional driving training services for the driver in you.